Hello, this is Awotwi-Bonney and this is a sound sensor experiment. So what we do is that we take our sound sensor, then we connect from A0 J30 all the way to D0 to J33. And what we do is that we take our blue jumper wire connected to D0, our white jumper wire connected to GND, our red jumper wire connected to VCC, and then our green jumper wire connected to D0. Right. So once we are done with the connection, what we do is that we run the code, and then the code will tell us whether there is sound in our surroundings. Right. So code will let us know whether there is sound in our surroundings. So let's run the code and see what we get. Alright, so the next one is we are going to use an LED to indicate whether or not there is sound in our side. So we take our LED, connect the long side to the positive and the short side to the negative, and we take our jumper wire red to the positive side, then connect it to pin 8. Then white to the negative side, then connected to GND. Alright, so we run the code and see the light will indicate. When we run the code, the light will indicate to us whether or not the system or the sound sensor will detect sound. And when it detects sound, the light will go on, let us know. If it doesn't detect sound, the light will be off. Okay. So that is all for the sound sensor. So that is, thank you very much.